Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to move an email to a specific folder. So, the users, they use the folders to organize their emails and to store their email messages. So you can create a folder for your important emails and you can just simply store them in that folder. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my Outlook. So here's the folder I created earlier. So now this folder, it is empty. So if I go to my inbox, now if I just move this email, I just drag the email and drop it to my text for your mails folder. Now if I open it, now I have a folder under this text for your mails. So this is how you can move an email to another folder. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to move an email to a specific folder. So thank you for watching.